Hello friends, welcome to my channel Magical Excel, and in today's video I will explain you how to count number of employee department wise. Here we have used COUNTIF's formula because COUNTIF's formula count text and numbers both along with the condition. You cannot use count formula because count formula count non-empty cells and text and numbers, but it will not allow you to count with condition. Here, as soon as I placed the department name, it has counted total number of employee. Now I will change it and check if it is working or not. Here you can see that this formula is working properly. When I change the department name, it will work. Now I will explain you where we can use count A formula. When we have to count total number of employees and the seat is long, then that time we can use count A formula. However, if it is short also you can use. Select count A, select the column and then select -1 because if your column has a heading, if you don't do -1 it will count this also. You can see there are total 100 employee in this list. However, if you want to count name, you can select this column, or if you want to count ID you can select this column. If you like this video, please like, subscribe and share so that I can develop more useful content for you. Thank you.